Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Hey there, fellow nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. Have you ever wondered what ducks eat? Well, you're in for a treat, as we are about to dive into the world of duck diets. Here we are at this beautiful pond, a perfect spot to observe ducks in their natural habitat. Ducks are omnivorous birds, meaning they have a diverse diet that includes both plant and animal matter. Ducks love to munch on various types of plant matter. Their favorites include aquatic plants like duckweed, pondweed, and water lilies. They also enjoy grazing on grass, grains, and seeds found near the water's edge. It's not just plants that make up their diet. Ducks also have a taste for insects and small aquatic creatures. They'll happily gobble up insects, snails, worms, and even small fish that they find while paddling around. Some ducks, known as diving ducks, have a more specialized diet. These ducks dive underwater to find food. They'll consume aquatic insects, fish, and crustaceans like crayfish. On the other hand, we have filter-feeding ducks, like the magnificent mallards. They filter tiny organisms and plants from the water using their specialized bills, leaving them with a nutritious meal. In urban areas, ducks often come into contact with humans. While it's lovely to feed ducks, we must be careful about what we offer them. Feeding ducks bread, chips, or other human snacks can be harmful to their health, and it's best to avoid it. Instead, opt for specially formulated duck pellets or cracked corn, which are much healthier for our feathered friends. These can be found at pet stores or wildlife centers. So, there you have it. Ducks have a versatile and varied diet, consisting of both plants and small creatures. Next time you visit a pond or lake, take a moment to observe these amazing birds in action. But remember to treat them with the right kind of food to keep them healthy and happy. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about ducks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, let us know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.